The challenges in tree care will become more demanding in the future. The trees are stunning and grand, which is why at some point I chose a profession in tree care. My name is Hüseyin Dietz. I am a certified forester and a specialist in tree care, working at Dietz Treecare. The field of tree care involves ensuring traffic safety, and jobs such as the removal of deadwood, pruning parts of the crown, and ultimately carrying out tree removals when necessary. The on-site tree care consultation is structured around a risk assessment. Then discussing the workflow is very important, followed by the team's roles and responsibilities. In our company, we place great emphasis on work safety, ergonomics, and of course, the execution and quality of our work. The decision to switch from motorized equipment to battery-powered devices was an easy one for us. As already mentioned, ergonomics and, of course, work safety are essential factors that make working with battery-powered devices easier for us. From an economic perspective, we have been able to save several hundred litres of fuel over the years, making our operations more environmentally friendly. My name is Simon Sauer, and I work at Dietz Treecare. I am a European tree worker and have always spent a lot of time outdoors, even as a child. At some point, I felt more drawn to trees. One of the most beautiful moments in this job is being up in the trees on the work platform in the morning and witnessing the sunrise. I use the GTA 40 for removing deadwood from thin branches, or for light crown reductions, as it allows me to avoid using a handsaw. The equipment should be lightweight, comfortable to hold, and not too large, allowing for work in tight branch forks and similar areas. I personally prefer battery-powered devices because they produce less noise and vibration compared to gasoline-powered equipment. The use of battery-powered equipment in tree care has rapidly evolved in recent years. We now have great options to choose from and use. The tree care industry as a whole will continue to advance in the battery sector. As tree care professionals, we also see ourselves as nature conservationists. It will be the responsibility of arborists to contribute to these changes, participate in developments, and drive progress forward.